puppy.
Business things, business things, business things, business things, business things, business things. Say business things, business things, business things, business things, business.
That's a beautiful bird right there. I don't know what kind of bird is that. I've never seen a bird like that. Nice little tour. Chalotzo. Excuse me.
You're not showing yourself friendly. No, you gotta go to them and give it to them. Here we go. Go. Give it to them.
All right now.
I'm scared.
All right, they don't want my food.
Oh, no, let me show you.
There's one above your head. Oh.
Above my head?
Give me some.
Get out my bird space. That's a beautiful color.
Oh, that was trying to go.
Give me some. Let me show you. Here you go, birdie.
They don't want my food.
Here you go. That's how you do it.
You're a little too high for me, buddy. Calm down.
And let me go like this.
How in the world? They didn't get my food.
See, they eat from me.
They don't want my food. All right, they don't want my food. Take it back.
Yeah, make sure you put this one on camera
They
too.
don't want my food.
Try that one, Orlando. Here you go. Be gentle. Go give it to him. Whoa, there you go.
They didn't eat it.
Yeah, go to him. You gotta give it to him.
Hey, man. I give up. I give up.
So scary.
We understood that I'm the man. Come on, speaker. The door don't supposed to stay open.
Okay, just go. You free it. You free it.
Come on.
Why it ain't going?
Oh
Don't try to make me look like I'm scary. Oh, that's a long way to go.
Uh-oh, I just heard a crack now. Ooh, 10 people max. The sign says 10 people max. Uno, dos. Okay, two of us. Where is she? I'm a little scared. She talking about I'm scared. Look at her. And she the one that's scared. I ain't scared of this. I'm a man. I am a man. She's a little scared herself. I ain't got no drone, but I got this. There go dolphins right there. Dolphin similar, you know. It's like 5 of them and 6. All right, we back at the beginning, which is the end. Wikipedia. This is crazy. There's so many different birds in the world. They didn't go that way. They go this way. Stand your king. Stand me, girl. Now, lift me up. Bring me to my next destination.
She's coming to America.
She don't want to lift me up. A little water break. A pina colada. It's virgin. Guys. Dang, he dropped all of these juice. That sucks. They definitely got a lot of stuff around here. Hey. He said, what's up? I feel it. You remind me of Philip.
Hi, welcome. Practice to the beach. You want to walk?
We're just walking, man. Just walking.
Okay.
It's Mahawal. $4 per person there, 4 on the way back. How many persons are you?
I know you want to go to the beach, Nick. I can hear it in your voice. Mine room is all inclusive. That. I get his feet right. I don't know. Oh yeah, you're right. You take credit cards? Okay. I gotta get my feet washed first.
It's very special.
It's very special?
Yes. The first time. But that girl is cool.
I don't want to say though. Get the feet washed.
Hey, regarde dans mon sac, j'ai amené un autre attache à cheveux. Je vais faire une boucle ici. Les cheveux arrêtent.
Oh my gosh. This is weird. Oh, they're going in. What is going on? Look at this. There they going in. Oh, they're not on your feet like that. Why they on my feet like that? Oh my God. Yo. Oh my goodness. They're not on her feet like that, but look at my feet.
Special.
I know. Who came up with this idea? Because I'm tied in with the blood. Come on now. They know what's going on. They know I'm connected to the Messiah. Come on now. Huh? Yeah. It don't hurt. It just feels weird. Like it's like.
Look at them on your ankle. That is the craziest thing.
Yeah, they're just like, I guess that's all the dead skin they're eating up. Apparently I got a lot from all of hard working.
Exactly.
I'm a hard working man.
You're getting your money's worth, right?
Yeah.
That is so.
How you feel? You feel over here, guys. Got my feet ate up by the piranhas. I don't know if they're piranhas, but they something. It was interesting. Felt different. I guess they're supposed to eat up all like the dead cells off his feet. Dead skin. I guess I had a lot of dead cells. Got dead skin on my feet. Had a lot of dead skin, but I mean, it was different. That's all I can say, it was different. It wasn't ticklish. It wasn't painful either. It just felt like something was touching your feet. But if you're ticklish, it might be ticklish to you. I'm not a ticklish person. But we're gonna continue today. Yep. Now me can go over. What? I need something. I'll be military night, please. All right, my boss. Hola.
See it?
Oh, that's fine. As long as it's real. It's real, right? Don't give me no fake money, man.
Oh, gatos, man.
What's this guy name?
Benito Juarez. He's a president for like in 85.
85?
Yes, he's a president from 85.
Okay.
Yes, it's 20 pesos. Well, it's almost $1.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, you keep it.
Oh, thank you, sir.
De nada. All right.
I have some bills from Japan, from Israel.
Yeah?
I'm collector too.
Yeah?
I have a table of glass.
Yeah.
And I put the bills all behind.
That's what I want to do. I have it from all over the world. When I used to be in the military, so I used to travel a lot.
Yes, it's a 20 pesos, very nice. It's an antique peso because now it's a new paper. It's a color red, orange. So this is a better quality.
Okay. All right, thank you, man.
Have a good one.
You too.
Some diamonds for her?
No, she got big. Where's the big? Oh, she don't have it on, but she got a big diamond.
I'm gonna believe you. I'm gonna
That's still, I'm still paying for it. She said she want to go back to the ship. It's 1:26. All right, let's go. She really just want to eat. She like to eat. Boy. Miami that way, Shamika. Said Miami that way. This is a pointless. I'm saying, like, they're just lazy. Viva! My man. Anda.
We didn't leave here today.
Oh yeah, them little dollars add up now. You're gonna come out easily 100. Easy.
You got more than you done got 5. I don't look at that.
I'm just saying easily 100. Back to the ship we go, y'all. Back to the ship we go. Sure know where she live at. Okay. You're going the wrong way.
It's the heat.
Go the wrong. She acting like she's starving. We just got. Check this out, y'all. For my room attendant, look, he put my glasses on the towel. Shout out to him. Definitely gonna bless him with a good tip when we leave. Shout out to him. He keep us up to date. Take care of us. I like that though. You funny. I'm not sure what's going on. Are they gonna dance?
Well, hopefully we retire.
Or those just the chef? Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods. Ooh. Are those the chef that been cooking it up? Okay. Big up yourself, chef.
Let's try that
How you do it? All right, that didn't work.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at a very small section of the team that has been looking after your meals for this fastest day. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you, have you
Dinner. Hot, man. Alright, y'all, into day 5, no, day 6. This is how we ended off. Outside the ship, she's gonna read her book. I'm gonna read my book. You know, this is how we're gonna end it off. And they got like a 70s party in like an hour or so. It's like 2 hours. We're gonna step into that. You know, am I gonna record it? Probably not, but if I do, you'll see it on here. You can hear the water, right? It's relaxing, right? Very relaxing. Now you can't see nothing. But make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share, man. You know who it is. Your boy Orlando. Orlando. It was a good one. Let's talk about today. Today, of course, oh, wow. I'm not going to mention it, guys. Of course, we didn't take a trip today. What you call the thing again? Excursion today. Because this port actually has enough for you to entertain you. It had a lot of things. I enjoyed the little tour we did. We walked on the little thing in the air. Saw the little birds. I enjoyed that. We tried to rent. I was going to rent a bike to go out in town, bicycle, electric bike, but my wife said no. She said it didn't sit well with her. So hey, sometimes you gotta take heed. So we didn't do that. I would have loved to have went out in town just to see Mexico. But to be honest, I don't feel like I've seen Mexico, even the first trip from the first day. But this port has enough for you that you don't have to get a tour. It has enough. There's a lot of entertainment. It was super, 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 super duper hot today. I was sweating. I'm from Florida. I was sweating. And as you can see, I did get my feet ate up by some fish, you know. They said they're supposed to eat all the dead skin on your feet. That happened. But appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Orlando, and I am Orlando. Schnicky, you got anything to say? She ain't got nothing to say. We'll holler at y'all though. Lay down in the orange. There's someone that got real. Puppy.